Good day. Today I'm going to be drumming with each of these two drums that I've just recently repaired. Each of these drums are covered with elk rawhide. This larger drum, I've used much thicker hide so that the tones are much more basso and deep. You'll notice how this side I just played was deeper than the first side I played. That's because the first side that I played, I chose a hide that was thinner than the back side, than the deeper side. So thin and thicker. The thinner always producing a higher pitched tone. And that's how we want it with these double-sided Shamanic Journey drums. We want that differential in pitch. The second drum, smaller, also covered with elk hide. I've chosen thinner hides to cover this one. And so the smaller diameter and the thinner hides will produce a much more natural, higher pitch, a clearer pitch. And that's, again, how we want it. I want that variation with different works that I do. So beginning on the high pitch side of the smaller drum. And the deeper pitch. And there you have it. The two drums I've just recently repaired and brought them back to fullness and aliveness. These are Shamanic double-sided journey drums. They are designed specifically to enable and to enhance journeying. There are many teachings about that and what the physiological responses of the brain are the tones produced, so on and so forth. I have that available on my website, jadegregory.com, and various other places. But there you have it.